Welcome back to Autoland, your go-to destination for the latest updates on cars, bikes, and all things automotive. If you love staying ahead in the world of vehicles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated hybrid sedans of 2026. The Honda has consistently delivered reliability, fuel efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, and the new Accord Hybrid takes it up another notch. We'll explore everything from performance to interior features, advanced safety, and why this hybrid could be your next perfect ride. Stick around till the end because we have a lot to unpack. The Honda Accord has been an icon in the midsize sedan category for decades. It has consistently impressed car enthusiasts with its balance of performance, comfort, and affordability. In recent years, Honda has focused on electrification, making their hybrid models more powerful and efficient. The 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid is no exception. It brings significant improvements in fuel economy, powertrain technology, and driving dynamics. This new model not only aims to reduce carbon footprints, but also enhance the driving experience with new features that cater to modern needs. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a family-friendly hybrid sedan, the Accord Hybrid is built to impress. Let's start with the engine and performance. The 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid continues Honda's tradition of efficient yet powerful hybrid powertrains. Under the hood we have a 2-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine paired with Honda's advanced 2-motor hybrid system. This combination ensures a smooth, refined ride while maximizing fuel efficiency. The electric motor delivers instant torque, making acceleration quick and responsive. Honda has worked on refining the transmission system, making the transition between electric and gasoline power seamless. With an expected output of around 210-220 horsepower, the Accord Hybrid strikes the perfect balance between power and efficiency. One of the standout aspects of the new Accord Hybrid is its fuel efficiency. Honda has further fine-tuned the hybrid system to extract every possible mile from a gallon of fuel. With an expected fuel economy rating of 50+ mpg combined, this sedan is ideal for long drives and city commutes alike. The battery pack has been upgraded for better energy regeneration, ensuring you get more miles in electric mode before the gasoline engine kicks in. Honda's EV mode allows short-distance driving on pure electric power, which is great for stop-and-go traffic or running errands without consuming fuel. Moving on to the driving experience, the 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid promises an engaging and comfortable ride. The suspension setup has been reworked to provide a plush feel over rough roads while maintaining a sporty handling characteristic. Honda's steering system has also been updated for better feedback and precision, making cornering sharper and more controlled. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating urban streets, the Accord Hybrid remains stable, quiet, and composed. The active noise cancellation system further enhances cabin comfort by reducing road noise, creating a serene driving atmosphere. The exterior design of the Honda Accord Hybrid 2026 is another area where Honda has made notable improvements. The new model features a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile that not only enhances fuel efficiency but also gives the car a premium look. The redesigned front grille, sharper LED headlights, and sporty alloy wheels make the Accord Hybrid stand out. Honda has also introduced aerodynamic enhancements like active grille shutters that adjust automatically to reduce drag, further improving efficiency. The rear end gets a more sculpted design with LED taillights that add a modern touch. This is a sedan that looks as good as it drives. Let's talk interior now. Let's step inside the interior of the 2026 Accord Hybrid. Honda has always prioritized comfort, space, and technology, and this new model is no different. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout. Honda has upgraded the seats with improved cushioning and ventilation, making long drives more comfortable. The dashboard layout is sleek and uncluttered, with a floating touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information at a glance. Honda has integrated its latest infotainment software, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. Tech lovers will appreciate the premium sound system, which delivers crisp audio quality for music, podcasts, and calls. The climate control system is now AI-enhanced, automatically adjusting settings based on outside temperature and humidity levels. Rear passengers are not left out either. Honda has included rear AC vents, USB charging ports, and reclining seats for added comfort. The panoramic sunroof is another welcome addition, bringing in natural light and enhancing the premium feel of the cabin. Safety has always been a strong suit for Honda, and the 2026 Accord Hybrid is loaded with the latest Honda sensing safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering easier and safer. The collision mitigation system has been upgraded to react faster and more accurately, ensuring maximum protection. Honda has also improved the airbag system to provide better coverage in case of an accident. One of the biggest highlights of the new Accord Hybrid is Honda's improved self-driving technology. While it's not fully autonomous, the Level 2 driver assist system allows for hands-free driving on highways, making long trips less stressful. Honda's AI-driven system constantly monitors road conditions and adjusts steering, acceleration, and braking accordingly. This is a step toward a future where driving becomes more effortless and safe. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid is expected to start at around $34,000, making it competitively priced in the hybrid sedan market. With the added technology and performance improvements, it remains one of the best value-for-money hybrid sedans available. The higher trims, which include more luxury features and enhanced driver assistance, could go up to $42,000. Honda plans to roll out this model globally, with North America, Europe, and Asia being the key markets. If you're considering a fuel-efficient, tech-loaded, and comfortable sedan, the Honda Accord Hybrid 2026 should definitely be on your list. With its blend of performance, reliability, and modern features, it continues to be a top contender in the hybrid segment. Honda has done an excellent job of elevating the driving experience while keeping efficiency at the forefront. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Honda Accord Hybrid. What do you think about this hybrid sedan? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland for more amazing automotive content. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest cars and bikes. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.